Best 22 anti-aging foods for youthful skin. Unlock the secret to eternal youth. In the quest for eternal youth, we often turn to the latest skincare trends and miracle creams. Yet, the true fountain of youth doesn't come in a bottle. It comes on our plates. It's time to unveil the top 22 anti-aging foods that promise to keep your skin as radiant as the morning sun. 1. Spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of antioxidants, acting as a shield against time's relentless march. 2. Avocado. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados are the guardians of skin elasticity, keeping your complexion dewy and divine. 3. Salmon. A trove of omega-3, salmon is the ocean's gift to your skin, nourishing it from within. 4. Lemon. Bursting with vitamin C, lemons are nature's brightening agents, banishing dullness and inviting luminosity. 5. Coconuts. The tropical treasure, coconuts are brimming with hydrating power, quenching your skin's thirst for moisture. 6. Kale. A cruciferous crusader, kale is laden with vitamin C, bolstering collagen and ensuring your skin's firmness stands the test of time. 7. Sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene rich. Sweet potatoes are the artisans of smooth skin, sculpting away wrinkles and fine lines. 8. Strawberries. These ruby red delights are antioxidant rich, repairing and rejuvenating your skin with every bite. 9. Carrots. Carotenoids in carrots are the painters of youth, brushing away age spots and environmental damage. 10. Turmeric. The golden spice. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory masterpiece, soothing your skin and preserving its youthful glow. 11. Olive oil. The Mediterranean marvel, olive oil is a wellspring of monounsaturated fats, keeping your heart and skin in harmonious health. 12. Legumes. The humble legumes are the unsung heroes of skin health, packed with nutrients that fortify your skin's defenses. 13. Dark chocolate. Indulge in the decadence of dark chocolate and let its moisturizing magic unveil a smoother, plumper you. 14. Green tea. Sip on the age-defying elixir of green tea and watch its antioxidants cast a spell of youthfulness over your skin. 15. Pineapple. This tropical fruit is a cocktail of enzymes and antioxidants, digesting old cells and regenerating new ones. 16. Brussels sprouts. Tiny but mighty. Brussels sprouts are bursting with vitamins A and C, essential for skin repair and maintenance. 17. Mushrooms. The fungi kingdom's gift. Mushrooms are rich in selenium, an ally in the fight against environmental aggressors. 18. Turkish yogurt. Creamy and comforting. Yogurt is a probiotic paradise, balancing your gut and your skin's health. 19. Fermented foods. Fermented favorites like kimchi and sauerkraut are the conductors of gut health, orchestrating a symphony of skin benefits. 20. Sesame seeds. These tiny seeds are big on youth-promoting zinc, a mineral that acts as a skin mechanic, fixing up any signs of wear and tear. 21. Honey. The sweet nectar of honey is a natural humectant, drawing in moisture and locking it into your skin. 22. Watermelon. Hydration in its most delicious form. Watermelon is the ultimate quencher for thirsty skin cells. Embrace these 22 anti-aging foods and let your skin tell a story of timeless beauty. Remember, the secret to youthful skin isn't hidden in a lab. It's waiting for you in your next meal.